Good morning, guys. This is day one here in Auckland. I don't know if you guys have seen that vlog where I had no idea that I actually had family in New Zealand. This guy named Tony reaches out to me on Facebook and is like, yeah, I think we're related. Did a back check on that, made sure he wasn't just some creepy guy from Auckland, you know, looking to hook up. And sure enough, yes, we actually are related. We had a little reunion back at the end of July 2020. So now that we're back in Auckland, we're gonna hang out today.
It's been quite a while.
Yeah, it's been like more than a year, I think. July 2020.
Is it that long?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's because we were dead for 4 months and a bit.
Because it was a 4-month lockdown, in Auckland.
Yeah. Now you can have limited up to 100 people in a house. How do 100 people fit into a house?
Exactly. See you, Tony.
Okay.
Drive safe.
Take care. Working from home today.
Hey man, how the hell you doing? I've been just fine living life with the new sand in my mind. I feel like everyone's a stranger. Small talk with your narcissistic neighbor. She's real hot, but they said to never date her. I agree, but you did, and I hate her. You wanna get away? You better get in line.
Ling's working at home with me today.
No filter, I got no filter. No filter.
PG bloody IF. Thank God it is Friday. We're in Auckland. The work week is almost done. Morning, still got to get through a bit more. But it's been a fun week. We got to reconnect with old friends and colleagues. And also got to check out the local cuisine in Ponsonby. Ponsonby Road has got a lot of great restaurants. Visited La Vietnamese. Had amazing pork belly there. Good. We got to meet up with Dion. Dion was featured in one of the vlogs in the past. Visited this Korean spot called Oki, I think it was called. And so we had some Korean fried chicken with him.
Shall we cheers?
Cheers.
To being in Auckland. Beyond.
Last night I got to hang out and spend some time with my boss because I'm working remotely from the South Island and my boss is based up in Auckland. I didn't think I'd ever have a chance to physically see him before we left New Zealand, but lo and behold, impromptu flight up to Auckland, so we got to hang out. He is a aficionado of all things Japanese, so he took us to this place called Tanuki's Cave, a great little eatery, an izakaya, skewered meats, everything from chicken giblet, hearts, cow tongue, scotch fillet, and some really good Orion biru. Oh, kanpai, guys.
Kanpai, yeah.
Kanpai. That and some good sake. I think we had a bit too much, but we had a good time. You know, the greatest news of all is that Netflix movie that I was in, well, it's finally out, so check it out. It's called The Royal Treatment. I'm not gonna lie, I actually haven't watched the whole movie yet. I just fast forwarded to see if my scene even made it in, and I'm in it for half a second, and that's all that matters. And this was 9.5 hours worth of filming. And look, there I am. Let me rewind that. And we are back at Larnac Castle. This was what, oh, there I am. Oh shit, I missed it. Oh my god. That's me. That's Meta. And that's Daz, the other guard. This guy's a crack up. He's from the UK, lives in Queenstown, and we got a beer after we were done shooting. This is just so funny that we're in the shot. Oh man. Alright, well, Royal Treatment's out. If that's your cup of tea. Romantic comedies don't really do it for me unless they're Korean. I'm gonna watch it once, and probably will never watch it again, but it was fun. So check it out, Netflix, Royal Treatment. Okay. I think it's time for lunch. Gonna go meet Ling. Her office is just about 10 minutes from here. So we're gonna go grab some lunchki. So we're going to this place on Ponsonby Road called Deadwood Deli. So this place kind of stuck out to me because I used to work for this sandwich institution in Montreal called Dagwood's. The best fresh deli sandwiches you could get in Montreal. And Deadwood Deli, their branding looks strikingly similar to that of Dagwood's, but upon looking at their menu, they actually make sandwiches completely different. I have a pickup for 1 p.m. for Mark. Oh, Mark. Yeah. Could I get a Reuben as well? Yeah. So Lynn got wrapped up in her work, so I ordered her a Reuben sandwich. I think she's gonna meet me here. Look who's here!
Sorry for the confusion. And I dropped them. Imagine. Ooh.
The Korean pork belly. Just got some yummy pastries. I got a rhubarb raspberry custard donut. What did you get? Like, oh, there goes your thing.
I think you pronounce it Queen Amand. Amand? It's a French pastry from Brittany. It's a croissant, but it's been baked in sugar. So the sugar caramelizes on the outside, so it's nice and sticky, but should be flaky inside. I can't remember the first place that I had it, but it was life-changing. Oh yeah, it's sticky at the bottom. I'm so excited.
Hi.
This is my husband, Mark.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, this is the temporary office.
Okay.
This is my husband, Mark.
Hi, Lance. Nice to meet you.
It's Terry.
Hi.
And that's Michael over there.
It's enough dilly-dallying. Time to get back to work. Alright, the work is done. The numerous times that Ling and I have been up to Auckland, we've never gone up the Sky Tower. That massive tower. The phallic looking thing. Let's go. Hello.
So dark.
I'm not. Yeah, I'm dark.
You're like a walking shadow.
I'm as dark as that Suzuki right there driving by. That's where we're going up. You excited?
This 2 viewing platform finish at 6. Cafe today finished 9.
Thank you.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Let's start with a quick picture over here.
Sure. Level 50.
Let's go, we don't need to touch
That's
anything.
51 though. Here we
It
go.
mentions that the glass is 38 millimeters thick. You know what else is gonna look thick? Me in that f***ing photo.
Oh, this. I think we're here. Just like that.
all those boats over there, they weren't there before. They were here.
This is terrifying. Felt my heart. 38 millimeters. That doesn't sound thick enough, no?
I like how there's a big X there if you fall through.
Oh god.
Aim for that X. So you literally just walked across.
I did. No, I was filming myself. See, if I don't look at it, it's not so bad. When I look down.
I am not okay.
She's real hot, but they said to never date her.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
You wanna get away, you better get
Let's go higher up. To think people pay to walk on that platform.
Good
And
bungee off
then-
of this too.
Bungee jump, as if walking wasn't enough. Thank you.
That container yard looks really empty. But I could swear that I could feel it kind of swaying. No? I was trying to read that sign and I was like,
close the sky deck at 6 p.m. but you're allowed to stick around the cafe, which closes at 9 p.m. So we're gonna do a little wine and cheese degustation.
And this is Pinot Noir and blue cheese, and Sauvignon Blanc and Brie, and Pinot Gris, and smoked Havarti, and Chardonnay and Romano cheese.
Awesome.
Enjoy.
Cool.
Nice.
Oh, look at all that cheese and wine.
This is a good amount of wine. I mean, it's almost a serving each.
For 2 people, 40 bucks, that's a steal, eh? Gotta take photos for the gram. I forgot about my Instagram story, so I gotta shoot a video. Sweeping shot. Focus in on the logo so people know where you are. It goes dry, sweet, sweeter. This one's quite dry. Good pairing. This is it, last of the Pinot Noir. I'm drunk.
You're a liar.
And we're on top of the world in Auckland.
So annoying.
Alright, well that was a good degustation de vin et fromage.
Degustation.
Degustations, yeah. Alright, so that's it for our Auckland trip. Yeah, we got our fill of Duck Island ice cream and all the good restaurants on Ponsonby Street. So yeah, en route to the airport.
Thank you.
Make sure it's perfect.
No.
Oh,
Again, I'm 2 for 2,
we're
not
like
straight.
98%.
Damn it.
Work out those strong legs while I vlog it. Bye. See you in Nelson.
Make friends.
I like how we both thought to wave to the bag.
Yes.
Our flight is delayed 40 minutes. All good. A week has come and gone. We got to hang out with friends and old colleagues 45 minutes before our plane leaves. Guess I'll just play some golf battle. Thank you. Thank you. That's goodbye North Island. Hello again, South Island. Sunshine region of New Zealand. Nelson. We're coming back.